Hi, I'm David Annakie of USA Credit Repair. And of course, just want to say welcome to the USA Credit Repair Show again. I'm here again with some more information. And today we're going to be speaking about whether or not there is truly a quick fix for your credit or not. What do you think? Stay tuned. I've got a lot to share with you. I'll be back in a few seconds. Welcome to the USA Credit Repair Show. Okay, we're back. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to the USA Credit Repair Show, where obviously we give you credit tips and also we point you in the direction of repairing your own credit, or you can hire the professionals to do it. With, of course, paralegals and attorneys and top dispute managers on board, we truly can repair your credit. Now let's talk about whether or not there is a quick fix. There are so many gross misconceptions in the credit repair industry. It is considered sometimes a bait and switch industry. It's considered a very scammy industry. It's considered something that does not work. But credit repair is all about knowledge. That's the first thing. What is killing a lot of people out there is ignorance. Your credit can truly be repaired. Is there truly a quick fix? The big part of the answer to that is no. There's no quick fix. There's no overnight fix in repairing your credit. However, can you get your credit scores up within 45 to 60 days? Yes, you can. Can you get it up significantly? Yes, you can. But how? And that is the reason why it's extremely important for you to choose the true professionals. Now, most people, they read a lot of stuff on the internet. They listen to a lot of stuff on television and on radio programs. However, what you really need to do is find yourself a professional who have been repairing credit for a number of years. Not saying USA Credit Repair who have been around for 15 years and understand the industry thoroughly. I am saying find someone who truly understands credit. Maybe someone that's in the mortgage industry. Maybe someone that's in the real estate industry. But here's what I have to say, ladies and gentlemen, and let's talk about the quick fix versus the non-quick fix. The quick fix, well, let's back it up. Let's go to the non-quick fix, all right? We all end up with negative items on our credit because we don't pay our bills on time. We max our credit cards, meaning that our credit utilization is over 25%. And also we apply for too much credit every year, all right? We should never apply for credit more than twice per year. And if you're going to apply for more than 2 times per year, you should really speak with a professional like myself before doing that so we can point you in the right direction. So, with all these negative items on one's credit may end up in the 400s and the 500s, even in the 600s. You need help. Now, what can happen here? There are very much, 90% of the time, there are negative items that's on your credit. Maybe identity theft. Maybe someone used your credit in the past. All right. Maybe there's an inquiry on your credit that you never authorized. All right. Maybe you have a collections on your credit that is not valid. And let me say this: most collections on one's credit are not valid. Didn't say you didn't owe the money. I'm saying it's not valid. And if it's not valid, guess what? The credit bureaus, okay, must remove them as per the laws. Also, maybe information was reported on your credit on the wrong date. Guess what? The credit bureaus must remove these negative items. So there are true loopholes that's out there that can help you to get your credit scores higher. Now, that is the not so quick fix, and that takes time. And in the industry, you'll find out that credit repair agencies charges you a monthly fee ranging from anywhere from $59 up to $300 a month. And the process probably will take years, not just months, but years. Here at USA Credit Repair, we like to get you back on track as quickly as possible. And we have a plan for your budget. If you would like to go on a plan that spans over time to repair your credit, seeing that it may be in the 400s, the 500s, and the 600, we can put you on a cost-effective plan that ranges from $99 per month until your credit is repaired. There are no contracts. You can cancel at any time. So let's hypothetically say you sign up for a plan with USA Credit Repair and after investing $99 to repair your credit, you realize that your credit score jumps from 570 to 670. If you want to stay at 670, by all means, you call up USA Credit Repair and say, hey, David, I would like to cancel my plan. Not a problem. You can move on, build your credit from there onwards, or you can say, hey, David, what else is on my credit that I could potentially have you dispute to get my scores higher? And then we continue with another $99 a month. All right. Now there are other programs that we have that is called the fast track and the legal program, and this is where we get our attorneys involved to deal with the hard to be removed items on your credit. And this is where the attorneys do what's called a forensic audit on your credit to find out how the negative items ended up on your credit, to find out if they're truly valid. And once again, not because you did incur the expense or the charge on your credit necessarily mean it was valid. It's a little bit convoluted, but if you'd like more information, you need to reach out to me and just follow the links that you're seeing on your page right now, or follow us at USA Credit Repair on Instagram and also on Facebook, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. Now, let's go to the quick fix. The quick fix is all about trade lines. And I always recommend trade lines for people who are pretty much have utilization over 30%, but they can't pay off all their utilization in one shot. Maybe you want to invest in a trade line. Now, what is a trade line? Once again, let me reiterate. A trade line basically is a line of positive credit or seasoned account that we put on your credit. So hypothetically, let's say a Wells Fargo card of $20,000. We could add that to your credit, ladies and gentlemen, with literally zero utilization, which jumps your credit score because the utilization of your credit is something that goes against your credit score. The lower utilization, the higher your credit score. That's a rule. The lower your utilization, the higher your credit score. If you're under 25% with your utilization on your credit scores will be higher. Now, what I'm simply saying is that if we give you a big credit line on your credit today, ladies and gentlemen, in a few weeks, you will actually see your credit scores jumping. And for the most part, your credit score, depending on the line of credit that is added, can jump all the way up to 150 points. All right, and let me disclaim this. This is not necessarily for everyone. It all depends on how much credit you have already utilized. So that's the reason why we have to do what's called an analysis of your credit to decide how much of a trade line you need. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the quick fix is adding a trade line to your credit. And yes, we can do it here at USA Credit Repair and USA Trade Lines. My name is David. Call me now if you'd like to speak with me one-on-one. And by the way, folks, let me just say this much. You have absolutely no obligation in spending anything. Let me disclaim that with us. I honestly believe that information should be free at all times. However, if you need work done, let us do the work for you and then you take care of us, all right? Maybe you don't have the time to get it done yourself. Maybe you don't have the depth and the knowledge and the experience to actually get it done. And the analogy that I like to always use is that if you have yourself your BMW or your Mercedes-Benz and it breaks down, are you going to get up under the hood and fix that Mercedes-Benz or BMW? No. You will be taking that Range Rover, Mercedes-Benz, or BMW to the dealer to have the professionals work on it. More than likely, they have seen that problem before, and they will actually like to help you. And they can fix the problem, and they can do it much quicker. Why waste time? Time is money. Once again, welcome to the USA Credit Repair Show. Call me now. I will personally answer this number and give you any advice that you need in respect to actually increasing your credit scores or any financial advice that you potentially may need. Now, it's going to be a true 1 hour one-on-one consultation or 30 minutes or more. It will cost you, I'll say that much. But for the most part, the information will be free. Call me now if you'd like to have your credit repaired or ask me some questions at 1-800-872-7177. That's 1-800-872-7177, and that is 1-800-USA-7177. Easily remembered, right? 1-800-USA-7177. The number is right there. The link is right there. Click on that link, fill out that form, or just call me up. 1-800-USA-7177. Call me now. And also, ladies and gentlemen, follow me on all my social. All right, and you can do so by following me on Instagram. My personal social, I like to put out there first, is David Squeeze Annakie. That's on Instagram and also on Facebook. You can also follow that same name or handle, as we call it, on YouTube. And make sure you subscribe rather to all my channels. Now, you can also, of course, go on USA Credit Repair on Instagram, USA Credit Repair on Facebook, USA Credit Repair on YouTube, and subscribe and follow and like those channels. Once again, I am David Annakie, and I'm here to answer any and all questions in respect to credit repair and also, of course, trade lines, which can be extremely positive and very quick in increasing your credit score. The name is David Annakie. The show is called USA Credit Repair Show. Until next time, keep your heads high and your scores high. Take care.